Hi, this is Ms. Bracamontes, and this video, what I'm going to do today is show you how to create a wiki page for English 11. First off, you want to open your web browser, so click on your web browser icon. This will take you to the home page. If you're using a computer on campus, it'll take you directly to the Gateway Community College homepage. If you're using a computer from home, just type in www.gatewaycc.edu, and then that way you can find the link to the Gmail account. Okay, so click on current students. That'll take you to the second page. Then you go down to the bottom right hand corner and click where it says Google Student Gmail, and this will take you to the login page, so you can log into your account. You want to use your MEID. Okay, it's the same ID you use to get into your Blackboard. Okay, same password as well. You can find this ID on your identification card, or this ID number. Then it's going to take you to the next page, or it's going to load your email. Okay, and then you'll see that there's some sources up here in the black bar on top of the page. You want to click on sites. This will allow you to create basically a web page, or and in our case a wiki site for our class. Okay, you go over to the left to the sidebar, click on create, and that'll take you to the next page, which is selecting the template you want to use. We want to use a blank template because we're starting from the beginning, and name it your first name and last name. Okay, and make sure you put a space bar between those two and you capitalize it, because this is going to also show on your home page. The gallery shows some templates that have been pre-created beforehand, but we're starting from basically from scratch, like I mentioned. Okay, you also have your URL address here, so if you want to share your link with your family, you can share your work by giving them this link. And then you go to the bottom here where it says select theme. Click there, and you're going to choose basically the background of the theme for your website. Okay, I like green, I like nature, I'm going to select branches. Okay, later on you can change it, make it a little more unique and customize it, but for now just choose something from the library. Next, more options, and you want to basically describe the category and what the site is for. Okay, we're going to put education because it's for educational purposes, and we are also going to put English 11 wiki page because that's what we're going to use it for, to edit, to blog, to share ideas, and also to publish your work. Then you're done with the template. Just hit create, and this should upload your home page that you just created. Now on the home page here, you're going to edit, you're going to add some description to it. So if you go to the top right corner where it says edit page, you're going to click on the little pencil, and that'll open or load the editor here, so you can choose like different font sizes, if you want to align to the left, right, if you want to insert an image, if you also want to record a video, a YouTube video of yourself describing yourself, you can insert that on this home page as well. Okay, so get creative. But for now, let's just type in a description of yourself and some of the things you like or you're doing, and the purpose of the page. Here I put the purpose of this wiki page is to archive, edit, discuss, blog about reading and major writing assignments in English, and also serve as an electronic portfolio to showcase your work. Okay, I also want you to change where it says home, let's change that title. Let's put your full name again, just to identify your page. And then when you finish doing this, hit save. And this is what my saved home page looks like now. Now, the next thing that I'm going to show you is how to add additional pages. So this is your home page. I want you to add additional pages for the different units we're going to cover. So you go to the top again, right? Click where it says new page. Okay. And we're going to create a page that says English, because I've been talking to Mr. Blevins in your chemistry class. Some of you have chemistry. He's also going to be utilizing this. And we want it under Maria Bracamontes. So type in English. Let's put English 11. And then select the location. I want it under my name, under my home page. Okay, because again, you might be creating a page if you're taking chemistry, or if you're going to be taking chemistry next semester or next year. Okay, so that way you have one site where you have all your assignments archived. So here under English 11, I want you to write a description of the class. Okay, just a short description, and then you're going to hit save once you're done with that. And under English 11 is where you're going to add sub pages or additional pages for the different units we're going to cover. So let's add some few pages. Again, go to the same icon on the top, new page, The first one we're going to cover is the autobiography. Okay, what is an autobiography? What is its purpose? And we're going to read one. We're going to analyze it. And and then I want you to put it under English 11. Okay, so select location, English 11. Create. Okay. There you go. Here you're going to describe again what the autobiography is, its purpose. You're going to also possibly kind of transition or introduce your autobiography that you're going to create in class, because once you have your final draft or your autobiography, you are going to upload it where it says add files here. So you click on add files and you would upload and select your final Word document here and attach it to this page. Okay, and then the comment box we're going to use again as a pre-writing tool. You're going to be blogging here in this comment box. You're going to be brainstorming topics, sharing examples of figurative language, imagery, and even how you utilize flashback in your autobiography. So we're going to use it as a pre-writing tool. Okay, so let's just hit save and we'll get to all of this later, but just so you can see what it's going to start to look like. So you have home page, right? And then under your home page you have English, and then under English you have your autobiography subpage. Okay, and then we'll be adding a few more, like the compare and contrast essay, the research paper, the book review, etc., etc. Okay, so good luck, and if you have any questions, please come see me. Thank you.